All right, everyone. Ready to dive in? Today, we're going to untangle this whole ReferUs system that everyone's been...
It's got some buzz around it.
Yeah. Turn those customers, those happy customers, into a whole...
Into an army.
Yeah, a referral army.
Exactly.
We've got, we got the setup guide and some notes from that training session.
Yeah, the training notes are really helpful, I thought.
Super helpful.
Some good stuff in there.
So by the end, no more messing around with spreadsheets. We're going to build a referral machine.
Yeah, and I think what's really cool about ReferUs, it takes what we already know, right? Word of mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it works.
It works.
But it gives you a system, a structured way to make it happen over and over.
See, that's what I was thinking about, too. You get those random, hey, you should try this.
Right.
But how do you scale that?
Exactly. How do you systematize it? That's what this is all about.
Right, exactly.
And, think about it. We all trust recommendations from people we know. So ReferUs helps you kind of tap into that trust that's already there and build this network of people.
Yeah, your advocates.
Advocates, exactly.
The people who are actually excited to talk about you.
Yeah, they want to share your business.
All right, so let's get down to it. How do we set this thing up? The guide mentions, a bunch of steps.
It does.
Where should we even start?
Well, the first thing that really stood out to me was how much they emphasize your visual identity.
Oh, interesting.
It's like ReferUs knows first impressions are everything.
Right.
You got to have those promotional materials looking sharp.
Of course.
They even have troubleshooting tips for if you have trouble uploading your logo, which I thought was a nice touch.
It's the little things, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So you want everything to look really professional from the get-go.
Okay, so we got the logo looking good. What's next?
Next up, you're going to enter your company details.
All right.
And this is where ReferUs does some of its magic behind the scenes.
Ooh, I like magic.
It generates a unique URL and a QR code just for you.
So it's specific to my business.
Exactly. It's like your referral fingerprint.
Oh, that's cool.
It's how referrers and new leads get connected right back to you.
Okay, so it's like a digital breadcrumb trail.
I like that.
Leading right back to my business.
Yeah.
Awesome. Now, the guide also talks about choosing a business category.
Yeah.
And writing a description. Why is that so important?
It's all about being found.
Okay.
Visibility.
Visibility, yeah.
Within the ReferUs network.
Right.
This isn't just a tool for managing the contacts you already have. Mm-hmm. It's a whole ecosystem of businesses.
Wow.
That are looking to collaborate and grow.
Okay.
So by choosing the right category and crafting a description that, really pops.
Adds you.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. You're going to show up in searches within the network.
Oh, that makes sense.
This makes it easy for other ReferUs users to find you.
Right.
And start sending referrals your way.
So it's not just my existing network. I could actually connect with other people.
Exactly. A much wider pool.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Now, what if I have, what if my business doesn't have a storefront? What if I work more virtually?
That's a great question.
I noticed the guide talked about some flexibility with location.
Yes. They've really thought about that.
Okay.
You can choose whether to display your physical address or if that's not really relevant to your business.
Right.
You can use a map, an image, even a video.
Oh, wow.
They understand that one size fits all doesn't work for every business.
Right.
So they built in that flexibility to cater to different business models.
I like that. It seems like they really thought about, the user experience.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so we got our visuals looking sharp. The details are all entered. Location's all set up just how we want it.
Perfect.
What's next? What makes this whole thing, tick? What's the secret sauce?
This is where we get to the heart of it.
Ooh.
Setting up your rewards.
Reward.
Remember, we've seen all those studies about how effective incentives are.
Right.
Well, ReferUs lets you create a structure that actually motivates people to recommend your business.
Okay, tell me more about these rewards. What are we talking?
The guide, it lists a whole bunch of options.
Okay.
You can offer a commission on sales.
Okay.
Straight up cash rewards.
Cash is king.
Vouchers, freebies. I mean, really, the sky's the limit.
So there's a lot of flexibility there.
Tons of flexibility. It really boils down to understanding your audience.
Right.
And what would make them excited to refer your business.
This is where it gets fun, right?
Yes.
What's the ultimate thank you gift
Totally.
for your biggest fans? I'm already thinking, what would my customers love? A discount on their next purchase.
Yeah.
Early access to new products.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Right. Yeah. There's so many possibilities.
And the best part is you don't have to, lock yourself into one reward structure forever.
Oh, good.
They have this thing called the reward register.
Okay.
where you can adjust your rewards over time. So you can test different things, see what works best.
Right. So it's not just setting it and forgetting it.
Exactly.
You can adapt as you go.
Keep it fresh, keep it engaging.
I like that. It feels very data-driven.
Very data-driven.
Speaking of data, the next thing on our list here is this Refer dashboard.
Yes, the dashboard.
What can you tell us about that?
The dashboard, it's where you'll spend most of your time managing your program.
Okay.
And it is beautifully designed.
That's good. That's important.
Clean, intuitive, it's got all the information you need.
Right.
One thing that stood out to me is the way they separate the business view from the refer view.
Wait, what does that mean?
So both you and your referrers have access to information,
Mm-hmm.
but the layouts are totally optimized for your specific needs.
Okay.
So as a business owner, you'll see, an overview of your referral program's performance,
Okay.
while your referrers, they get a simplified view
Okay.
that focuses on their referrals and rewards.
Gotcha.
It's all about transparency and making the experience,
Easy.
smooth and enjoyable for everyone.
So no one's getting lost in a sea of information they don't need.
Exactly. Just what they need in a way that makes sense.
I like that.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
you see this attention to detail throughout the entire ReferUs system.
Yeah.
They've really thought through every step of the process,
Mm-hmm.
from setting up your profile to managing your rewards and tracking your results.
Cool.
It's pretty impressive.
So this dashboard sounds pretty amazing.
It is.
But let's talk about, actually bringing those referrers in.
Right.
How easy is it to, invite people to my program?
Super easy.
Okay, good.
ReferUs makes it really simple.
Okay.
You can invite people one by one.
Okay.
You can upload a whole list of contacts at once,
Okay.
or you can send invites directly through your My Refers register.
So, no matter what size my business is.
Exactly.
Whether I'm a small, solopreneur
Mhm.
or a big company, refers can handle it.
Absolutely. It's built for everyone.
Okay, that's awesome. Now, once I've sent out the invites,
Yeah.
what's the key to actually keeping those refers, engaged?
Well, the training materials really emphasize
Okay.
the importance of building relationships.
Okay.
It's not just sending a link
Right.
and hoping for the best.
Got it.
You have to nurture those connections.
Yeah,
Stay in contact. Show them you value their support.
that makes sense.
It's like if I'm going to ask someone to recommend my business,
Mm-hmm.
I want them to feel like a valued partner, not just, some random person on a list.
Right, exactly.
It's all about that trust, that mutual benefit
Mm-hmm.
that's key to a successful program.
Okay, so now I've got referrers. They're out there spreading the word.
Love it.
What happens when those referrals start coming in? How do we manage that?
That's where the My Referrals section on your dashboard comes in.
Okay.
It gives you a really clear picture of all those incoming referrals.
So, whether they're coming from
Yeah.
referrers or, social media.
Exactly.
I can see it all.
All in one place.
That's good.
And this is where being quick is important.
Okay.
The source mentions responding to new referrals within 24 hours.
Oh, wow. So, right away.
Yeah, you want to strike while the iron's hot.
Right.
Make those potential customers feel valued.
Makes a good first impression.
Exactly. Absolutely.
I can see how that would, improve those conversion rates.
For sure.
All right. So what about staying organized? Are there any tools for that?
Yes. So the My Referrals register has some really cool filtering options.
Okay.
You can track which referrals led to a sale,
Okay.
which ones need a follow-up.
Okay.
You can even see which payments are still outstanding.
So I can really see what's working, what needs my attention.
Exactly. It's like having this personalized analytics dashboard
Ooh, I like that.
just for your referral program.
Very cool.
Now, speaking of payments,
Yeah.
it's important to remember that Refers, it's a management tool.
Okay.
It doesn't actually handle the payments.
Right. So it keeps everything organized.
Yeah.
Tracks all the details,
Keeps it all straight.
but I handle the actual payments myself.
Exactly, through your own systems.
Got it.
But Refers makes that process so much easier.
Okay. Good.
You can record payments right within the system.
Okay.
You can track success rates.
Nice.
You can even calculate the reward amounts automatically based on your settings.
Oh, that's awesome. No more spreadsheets and calculators.
Exactly.
I love it.
Takes all the headache out of it.
All right. So we've talked about setting up the system, inviting refers, managing those incoming referrals.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what about expanding beyond our immediate network?
Right.
I'm really interested in this whole refers network thing.
This is where things get really exciting. The Refers network is like a directory
Okay.
of all the businesses using this system.
Okay.
It's a gold mine of potential collaboration.
So, like, I can connect with other businesses who are looking for referrals.
Exactly. You can browse the directory, see what everyone's offering,
Okay.
and become a referrer for businesses that, really align with your target audience.
So it's like a win-win for everyone.
Absolutely. Expand your reach, generate some passive income,
Okay.
build those mutually beneficial relationships.
I love that.
Yeah.
But, like, what about businesses that are just starting out?
Right.
Do they have to, wait till they're bigger to use the network?
That's a great question.
I hear you.
And it's something that training materials actually talk about.
Okay.
The key is to focus on quality over quantity.
Okay.
Even a small business has valuable connections.
Yeah.
Think about your suppliers, partners, even businesses in your local community.
Right?
It's about being strategic,
Right.
making sure you're connecting businesses
Yeah.
that can truly benefit from each other.
So it's not just blindly sending referrals out. It's
Right.
like actually fostering those connections.
Exactly, fostering genuine connections.
Yeah, that's great.
And as you grow, you'll have even more valuable referrals to give.
It's like a positive cycle.
Exactly, a virtuous cycle.
Yeah, I like that.
It builds on itself.
Yeah. All right, let's switch gears a bit and talk about, actually getting the word out there.
Okay.
What kind of tools does ReferUs give us to promote our program?
Well, they've got some fantastic social media integration features.
Okay, good. So, like, digital promotion?
Yeah, you can use their pre-made posts, customize your own,
Right.
easily share everything through the platform.
Nice.
They've made it really easy to get the word out online.
What about offline? Like events and stuff?
Well, remember that unique URL and QR code
Yeah.
that Referus generates for you.
Uh-huh.
That's your secret weapon
Okay.
for offline promotion.
Okay.
You can print it on business cards, flyers, even merch.
It's like a little portable portal
I like that.
that goes everywhere I go.
Yeah, exactly.
That's cool. The guide also mentions this thing called a promotional page.
Yes.
What's that all about?
Your promotional page is essentially a dedicated landing page
Okay.
for your referral program. It showcases your logo, your name, address, services, and of course,
The rewards.
those awesome rewards. And the best part is it's automatically generated
Oh, nice.
based on the info you give during setup.
So they do all the design work for me.
Exactly. You just focus on building those relationships.
Right, and attracting those referrals.
Precisely.
That's awesome. But wouldn't it get, stale after a while?
That's where you come in.
Okay.
You got to treat your promotional page like a living document.
Okay.
So as your business changes, you add new services, update your rewards, make sure to reflect those changes on your page.
Got it.
Keep it dynamic, keep it fresh, keep it aligned with your brand.
So it's not set it and forget it.
No, you got to stay on top of it.
I got to keep it updated.
Keep it engaging.
All right, cool.
Think of it as your referral program's online storefront.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You want it to be inviting, informative, and always up to date.
Okay, so we've covered a lot here. The mechanics of refers,
Yeah.
the importance of building those relationships with refers, online and offline promotion.
We've hit all the big points.
I feel like we're still just scratching the surface though, right?
You're right. There's a whole psychology behind referrals.
Yeah.
We haven't even touched.
All right, so there you have it, folks. A deep dive into refers,
We've covered a lot of ground.
the system, the psychology, the data
Everything you need.
to build your own referral empire.
Go out there and get those referrals.
Turn those recommendations into an engine for growth.
You've got this.
And until next time, knowledge seekers, keep diving deep.